Guys, my brother kind of lighted up some fireworks and there's a ton of smoke.
Do you see smoke now?
Oh yeah.
Where?
Yeah, see, evidence. Oh hell no. Oh god. Marsh, is it hazardous to inhale fireworks smoke? Yeah. What? What'd you say? What? But Marsh, what's that orange stuff I saw? Look, come here. This stuff. Martian, did you see what I see? Look.
Fireflies?
Oh, is that fireflies?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's... No, I'm not.
Why? What?
I see smoke.
Does it smell?
I'm not smelling. But Martian, come here. There's orange stuff. There's orange stuff. Puh. Martian, orange stuff. There's orange stuff.
Huh?
There's orange stuff.
What do you mean orange?
Come here, like orange dust. You know what I'm saying? Like over here, look. What is all this?
Huh?
But Marshall, was it firing out of this thing?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I should probably take better precaution and actually explode at the end of the road.
What? I told you we should have done it in the backyard.
But then again, it could have caught in the tree and caused a forest fire.
I mean, not a forest fire because it's technically not in a forest.
Well, it is a forest when you can include trees.
Okay.
Does it smell? I can't tell.
Okay, yep. Alright, let's go back in eating buffalo wings, bro. Come on, let's go back in for eating buffalo wings.
Pretty cool stuff.
Pretty cool. Is this one? Yeah. Alright, I'm ending the video here, guys. Bye.